If your 2014 Honda CRV refuses to start, follow these 5 steps to find the problem before calling a tow truck. Statistics show that 85% of no-start issues in this generation are simply due to a weak battery or loose cables. Let us break down the diagnostic process step by step. Start by checking your battery voltage, inspecting terminals for corrosion, and ensuring the main engine ground strap is secure. Focus your attention on the battery, the starter motor, or the ignition switch if the car remains completely silent. If the engine cranks but fails to catch, the issue is likely fuel delivery or a faulty crankshaft position sensor. Attempt simple fixes like cleaning terminals first, but leave starter or fuel pump replacements to a professional mechanic. Repair costs vary wildly, with battery replacements being the most affordable and fuel pump repairs requiring significant labor. If basic checks fail, use an OBD-I scanner to read fault codes and a multimeter to test for electrical voltage drops. A standard socket set, wire brush, and heavy-duty jump blades are the only tools you need to perform these initial diagnostic steps. Remember, never force a start if you smell fuel or see smoke coming from the engine bay. If these steps did not help, it is time to call a professional for a deeper inspection of your CRV.